here, boys and girls. They're already out. Oh no, it's a good thing we filmed.
Yeah. Where's your mom? Go get your mom.
She's crying.
All right, what is up, guys? Welcome back to part 2 of the video. Today is Sunday. Today is the day that we surprised Sandra's parents with the car. Well, especially her mom, because her dad's already seen it.
Yep.
Say hi to him. And yeah, we are in the truck right now. We are warming it up. We pulled it out of the garage, which is way harder than putting it in the garage. But once again, Sandra did it all by herself. So that's it. We're gonna go ahead. It is almost time for them to get out of church. We're gonna go park the car at the church. And yeah, let's go ahead and take one more look at the truck from the outside, and then we will see y'all at the church. All right, y'all. Now we're on the outside, and she has made a bow for the truck. So as you can see, look at that. It looks like a professional bow, and you made it. Tell me you made it.
I couldn't find one online, so I looked it up, and I just made this morning, actually last minute.
Dope. So that's it. And plus, we only had 2 days to get one, so that was pretty much impossible. So she took it and she made one, and it looks really professional. If we back it up. Nice. Looks really, really good. Good job.
I think I did pretty good.
All right, y'all. Well, that's it. We just made the ribbon. We made it look way better for a surprise. Hopefully, it will be a surprise. Hopefully, nothing ruins the surprise. I hope it doesn't. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the way to the church. All right, see y'all. All right, boys and girls. So we are going to the church right now. They should be getting out in about 15 to 20 minutes, right around there. And yeah, it should be exciting. We have the bow in the back, ready to go. And yeah, well, we'll get out and then we're gonna show y'all what it looks like once we get there at the church. Yes. Here we are. Oh my God. Geez, she's driving like a maniac. All right, they're already out.
I'm gonna park it right here beside her car.
You think it'll fit?
Oh, shit, maybe.
Nice parking, bro.
I told you it was tight.
Lovely. There she is.
¡Vámonos al
Va llorando.
Yo te dije que te lo iba a comprar. La llave, Abby. Dale la llave, Abby.
Gracias, hermanos, gracias.
Hermano, vamos a orar, vamos a dar gracias a Dios. Padre, te bendecimos en el nombre de Jesús por la bendición impartida a nuestros hermanos. Damos gracias por este automóvil, por este carro, el cual dedicamos y consagramos y bendecimos en esta tarde, de tal manera que será de bendición para la vida de nuestros hermanos, para todos los que la usen, será de bendición. Le bendecimos en el nombre de Jesús, bendecimos a esta familia para la gloria y la honra de tu nombre. Padre, gracias, cuida el motor, la llanta, la transmisión, toda parte de este carro, te lo pedimos en el nombre de Jesús. Amén y amén. Gloria a Dios.
Oh, this is like the road trip.
Ay, no llores. Estoy temblando.
Ábrele la puerta a la abuela. Ábrele la puerta a la abuela.
Gracias, hija. Abby, Martín, thank you.
No problem. And there it is. Oh my goodness. They're going through it. They're loving it. They're smelling the brand new car smell. So yeah. What you think? It was like a movie with all the people. It was like 1 million people everywhere, and then they all came and rushed. I love that. That was amazing. Way better than I thought. What you think? We're gonna have a video.
Thank you very much.
I got the whole thing, everything, so you're gonna see it. I was buying the truck, I was hiding the truck, everything. We're gonna have it on YouTube. So
I'm very happy. Thank
good,
you, everybody.
good. Y'all deserve it. Look how hard you worked
Thank
for this.
you.
This is crazy. All right, guys. Well, there she is. She's gone. Oh yeah. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Thank you everybody in the church for being in the video. Yeah, it's an honor to do a video like this. You know, people don't get new cars like this very often, so it's very cool. Everything turned out amazing. If you like it, subscribe, like, and we're gonna keep the videos coming. Thank y'all so much for watching, and bye. Bye.